The Unsplash link building strategy. Unsplash is a royalty-free image sharing website that anyone can use to download and use professional photos for their website, blog or print projects. Started in 2013 as a simple Tumblr blog with a mailing list that sent out a batch of new images to its subscribers each week, it's grown massively to now host over 2 million contributions from 200,000 plus photographers worldwide. So what does an image sharing site have to do with link building? Well, from fairly early on in Unsplash's history, SEOs and photographers have been exploring the effect of using Unsplash to build backlinks to their own website and thus improving their overall visibility in search. In recent months, we've seen this tactic being used by creative agencies and even LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Whilst not a foolproof tactic, building links from your Unsplash photos is relatively straightforward. Step 1. Take some incredibly awesome photos. Really, they must be great images for this to work, otherwise no one will want to use them on their website. Step 2. Wait and wait some more. It's going to take some time for your photos to start getting views and downloads, so you need to be patient and understand that this isn't going to happen overnight. And step 3, use Google's reverse image search. To find websites that have downloaded and used your photos, simply go to Google Images, drag your photo into the search box. Google will show results of websites that contain the same image. Step 4, start contacting the website owners. Firstly, thank them for choosing your images, and secondly, ask them if they'd be kind enough to link back to your website to credit you for the photo. Not all of them will, but most people are happy to help out and will post a link. Hey presto, you're building backlinks. Now, just before you rush off and dust off your old SLR, there's a few considerations before jumping feet first into this tactic. Firstly, is it relevant to your business? If you're a photographer, it probably is, but bear in mind the types of images you upload will affect the types of websites that will publish them. So your images may end up on completely irrelevant websites, which may not be that helpful to your SEO efforts. A good example would be wedding photos. You're likely to get links from wedding-related sites. So if you're a wedding photographer, this is great news. So not only does it tell Google your site is also wedding-related, it also presents another opportunity to get traffic from people planning a wedding. Bonus. A bad example would be generic landscape images. You may get lots of links, but the relevancy of these links could be somewhat tenuous. E.g., a walking blog, hypnotherapist website and a restaurant could use the same image. This not only confuses Google about what your website is about, but it won't be sending much in the way of relevant traffic either. Secondly, this method of building backlinks could sit in a bit of a grey area in terms of whether Google will sit by and let this happen. After all, it could be easily manipulated and abused, which is when Google will take note and adjust its algorithm accordingly. So if you are going to use this, be strategic about how you do it. Aim to get links from relevant websites that could send traffic to yours. Use this technique with caution as part of a bigger overall SEO and content strategy. Hope you found this video useful. Be sure to check out the links in the description below. Visit our blog for more content, sign up to our list and get that content delivered direct to your inbox. Don't forget to check out the Skittish Academy for more training on how to use digital marketing to generate leads for your business. Until next time, keep marketing.